Your team's volume 2, we are full again.
Actually, our company is small, so we locate the whole model for 130K.
OKRs, I actually encountered OKRs when I moved here. The
When you bring it down to, okay, these are the departments, you can also go down in cross-functional teams. But the overall objectives and what you see from the other some companies, and then safety idea for the next quarter.
If you have in between anything you need support to start with OKRs, to understand OKRs, to really make it a try, just approach us. We are happy to help. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Naveed Chaudhary, founder of Anything Marketing. I'm here invited by basically my friend Carsten for this OKR event. It was amazing. I really loved the participation. I met very nice people. It's a great way to know about performance and OKRs. And if you are managing teams, you should definitely visit this place. Thank you.